Welcome, future investors, to Quantum Investing 2025. Today, we're diving into the quantum realm of the stock market with Rigetti Computing, Inc., a company at the cutting edge of quantum computing. Is this the next big leap in technology, or is it time to sell? Let's find out. First, let's talk numbers. In Q1 2025, RGTI reported revenues of $1.5 million, down from previous quarters, but their operating expenses were a hefty $22.1 million, leading to an operating loss of $21.6 million. Ouch! However, their net income was a surprising $42.6 million, thanks to some non-cash gains from derivative liabilities. And here's the good news. They've got $209.1 million in cash reserves, which is like having a quantum vault of gold to fund their ambitious plans. Now, let's talk achievements. RGTI isn't just burning cash, they're making waves. They've secured an investment from Quantum Computer Inc., a giant in computing hardware, and they're part of DARPA's QBI program, aiming to achieve utility-scale quantum computing by 2033. That's like building a spaceship to Mars. Plus, they're planning to release a 36-qubit system this year, with even more powerful systems on the horizon. This is the kind of innovation that could power the future. But what about the stock? Let's get technical. On the weekly chart, we see a quantum leap, a strong uptrend with the stock breaking out of a long consolidation phase. The moving averages are aligned like a perfect quantum state. The 5-EMA purple is above the 20-EMA blue and the 50-EMA black, signaling bullish momentum. It spiked during the recent surge, showing strong buying interest. The RSI is around 65 to 70, which is high but not yet overbought. Volume, it spiked during the recent surge, showing strong buying interest. Zooming in on the daily chart, we see the stock consolidating after a sharp rally. Ascending triangle pattern suggests a breakout above $14.50 could push the stock toward $21, its previous high. It's holding above key moving averages 5-EMA at $13, but if it fails, it might pull back to support at $10 or even $7. So what's the signal? Based on the technicals and fundamentals, I'm giving RGTI a buy signal for the next week. The uptrend is strong, the moving averages are bullish, and the recent achievements could act as a catalyst for further gains. But remember, the RSI is getting high, so there's a chance of a pullback. Set a stop loss at $10 to protect your investment. Investing in quantum computing stocks is like riding a quantum wave. It's thrilling, but it can be volatile. Always do your own research, consider your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more content.